Hello friends, how are you doing? My name is Abhishek and welcome to my channel. Today we are into the third episode of Momentum Trading where we will be discussing about one of the trading opportunity in Indian market. In this Momentum Trading series, what we do, we try to identify counters where there is a strong bullish underlying trend both from long term, medium term and short term perspective. Today as well we are going to discuss one counter which is trading at a very lucrative price point, and we should take the right opportunity out of this counter. Let's go ahead and understand the business model of this particular company which we are focusing on. We will be trying to understand what are the criteria which this counter has satisfied to qualify for our momentum trading series. So let's not wait more time here. Let's go ahead and discuss the third episode of momentum trading. So friends, the counter which we are referring here is a gold financing company in India. Okay, perhaps by this time you yourself has understood which company I am referring, but then also I will just spend one more minute to clarify and elaborate the business model of this particular company. The company is a non-banking financial company, which is a NBFC, which is engaged in providing loan. That means it's a financing company against collateral of gold jewelry. Absolutely right, friend. We are talking about Muthoot Finance. The stock got selected based on the two main criteria of momentum trading, which I personally follow, and I have seen that this criteria yield a lot of positive benefits in the longer term. The counter is currently trading at its all-time high and probably retraced back to one of the demand levels or a support zone where from we can try to initiate a trade in this counter. Okay, let's go ahead and analyze the technical chart of Muthoot Finance. This is the weekly chart of Muthoot Finance, and you can see the counter pre-COVID time period was trading at 950 odd levels, where from the correction due to COVID crept in, the counter corrected almost to 500 level, and post COVID trading sessions this counter has revived from these lows of 500 level and now has made a high which is close to 1270 odd level. That means the counter has made a fresh all-time high during the mid of May. Now we will be going ahead and analyzing the daily chart of Muthoot Finance and understand that how we can and identify a trading opportunity with proper risk management. Let's go ahead and understand the daily chart. This is the daily chart of Muthoot Finance. The green color line over here represents the previous all-time high close price. Remember, this is my close price previous all-time high. Okay, what has happened during the correction? Market has fallen abruptly, so Muthoot Finance has also fallen from 943 odd levels down to 500 level. It's a very sharp deep correction, but as market started moving up, this counter has also started moving towards its all-time high, and I will be elaborating this price action little detail so that all of you can understand what exactly has happened here. So as price has progressed towards the previous all-time high, the counter has consolidated almost 5 trading days, and then it has broken the previous high price. Again, just after the price broke the previous high, it came down at the beginning of a trade. However, the close never happened below the previous high line. Again, after that incident, the price consolidated for another 2-3 days, this range, and thereby a huge spike in volume took the counter to a level which is close to 1200. The next two trading sessions have seen an immense volume in this counter, which actually identifies that, stronger hand in this counter is taking position, and the direction of the stock is going to be up from here. Now, post that, what has happened, we will discuss that. You can see that after the spike in the price, there is a downward trend and a consolidation which has started happening in this counter. We will try to zoom this chart area and see what is typically happening over here. So if we see the price action in detail, these 2 days when there is a gap up from the previous day, so there is a clear gap of almost 24 points in this chart where there has been no price action. So the beauty of this, that this gap from here on will try to act as a support. Now if I see this consolidation which is currently happening in this counter, it clearly suggests that the price is going to again take a U-turn on the upper side, but before that it is trying to consolidate in this level. There is a strong bullish candle formation which has happened here. This candle which is very bullish, and this candle, the body of this candle will act as a support somewhere in between 1036 to 1200 level. We cannot predict right now which particular price point will be the exact support point, but we will be waiting to see a break of these downtrend line. So there is a intermediate downtrend which we can observe in the daily chart. The primary trend is up, the downtrend is seen in the intermediate state, and once this trend line will be broken, we will see fresh buying and upward journey in Muthoot Finance. So I feel whenever you see a break of this trend line, you can take a position in this counter. The lower band, which is 1012, should be the stop loss price. I would suggest keep a stop loss of 1000 rupees and you take a position once this trend line gets broken. The counter will first try to retrace its all-time high. Whether it will cross the all-time high in a single go, I can't comment right now, but first price target will be my 1275 level. Then we will again have to review and see that whether the counter has the potential to cross 1300 level and move higher. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any queries, questions, just feel free to put it in the comment section, and in case you want to send an email, you can directly contact me at datasciencefortrading@gmail.com. I will be more than happy to revert back to you. Take care of yourself and your family. See you in some other video. Thank you, friends.